Welcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. This is Rubik's Cube. It's a 3D combination puzzle invented in 1974 by Hungarian sculptor and professor of architecture Erno Rubik, also called Magic Cube. It has an internal pivot mechanism which enables each face to turn independently, thus mixing up the colors. Similar puzzles have now been produced with various numbers of sides, dimensions, and stickers. In this video, we are unboxing a stickerless and magnetic cube by Moyu.
Se acabó la cuarentena.
Let's begin the unboxing. This is a real McCoy. Let us use this cube to do a magic trick. It has been 33 years since the first time I was able to solve this puzzle. Let's see how fast I can solve it now. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's do it again. Just a reminder, what you have just recently witnessed is just a trick. And here is how I really solved the puzzle. Just a little bit of history. This toy became famous back in the 1980s when I was just in grade school. But I was only able to solve it back in 1987 when I was in first year high school. One of my classmates taught me the combinations, but he himself cannot solve it completely, so I studied it and luckily found the solution during that time. Since then, I've had those combinations locked inside my head. And that's what I'm going to teach you on my next video. So you better hit that notification button right now. It's been years since the last time I played with this toy, so bear with me, we'll get it done. almost there. I know I can make it better next time. This cube has good quality. It's also affordable but durable. So I'm giving it 5 stars. Now here is the magic reveal. The secret is right there in the box. It has plenty of room for another cube. Just make sure you have the white color at the top so it won't be visible. And also make sure that your camera is in the right angle. Now you're ready to do the trick. That's how you do it. But wait, here is a bonus trick. Go grab your cubes now. Isn't it too fast? Let's do it again, slowly. You will learn how to do it on my next video, so make sure you subscribe and click the notification button.